The top 5 best heavy-duty sofa recommendation. Recommendation number 1. Lifestyle Solutions HRFK's 3BK GRAYSON Sofa. The Lifestyle Solutions GRAYSON Bun-Tufted Sofa will be the center of your design theme in your living room. This thoughtfully designed sofa gives charm and bespoke elegance to any design aesthetic and is a sophisticated, comfy seating option for you and your family. The GRAYSON sofa is easy to assemble and no tools are required. Simply click it together and the sofa is ready for stylish comfort and enjoyment. It has a heavy-duty wood frame and offers durable support. There are plenty of couches and sofas out there. Recommendation number 2. SHINTENCHI Convertible Sectional Sofa Couch. The cushions you sit on are nice and firm. You'll never have to worry about sinking in. The more you sit in it, the better. Small space reversible sectional sofa. Make the most of your apartment or studio space, upstairs, loft, and more. Sectional sofa with an extra wide chaise lounge for maximum comfort. When friends come by, you can place the ottoman on either side of the sofa at random. Crafted for convenient shipment and easy assembly. Recommendation number 3. ZINUS RICARDO Sofa Couch. Cool, contemporary, and always welcoming. The RICARDO sofa takes understated comfort to the next level. This 3-seater features generous back and seat cushions for lavish lounging and subtly flared arms for stylish structure. Not to mention, it comes in just about any color you could want to match your existing decor. It's built to last with durable woven fabric and a dependable frame. Perfectly suited for years of family gatherings or solo movie marathons. And when you factor in it's tool-free. Recommendation number 4. HONBAY Faux Leather Sectional Sofa Couch. The cushions you sit on are nice and firm. You'll never have to worry about sinking in. The more you sit in it, the better. Small space reversible leather sectional sofa. Apartment couch sofa. Perfect for my small apartment, upstairs, loft, and more. No tools needed and easy to follow instructions to assemble. Sectional couch with movable ottoman. The chaise can be at either right or left side of the leather couch. You can change the shape of the couch freely to fresh up your home. Recommendation number 5. VONANDA Sofa Bed. The convertible sofa bed can be used as ottoman in normal. It can be easily and quickly converted into a sofa, lounger, or a bed to meet your various and versatile needs and no longer worry about unexpected guests. The folding ottoman is made of high-quality materials and metals. Not only does it durable, but it can easily withstand 400 fortals, avoiding all risk of injury. Also, it can be used directly after received. No assembly anymore. Breathable linen fabric and high-density sponge not only make the lines full and simple, but also make you feel support and comfortable whether you're sitting,